Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about wealth in horoscope. Which houses are linked with your wealth? Which planet is, if they place in that houses, and you will get a lot of wealth in your life. You will get a lot of savings, FDs, RDs, or gold or jewelries, and you are totally secure. Financially, you will secure. How? Which planet and how? That planet, which planet, where planet that planet plays in your birth chart. So today, first of all, if we analyze about the wealth, we need to check your second house. We need to check the second and 11th house of per chart. If these two houses are connected with each other, a person will earn a lot of money and they will save a lot of money. They will earn, they will save. They may spend their money on luxuries, but their earning is excellent. After spending the money on luxurious life, they are able to save a good amount of money if your second house lord placed in your 11th house and your 11th house lord placed on your second house. If mutual exchange of two planets in your birth chart, second lord 11th, 11th lord in second, this is called a dhan yoga. If your second lord placed in your 11th house with 11th house lord, it is also called a dhan yoga. If your ascendant lord and your second house lord is in conjunction in second house or 11th house with 11th house lord, it is totally called a dhan yoga. So if you have a dhan yoga, you will get a lot of money, you will get a lot of wealth, you will get a lot of savings. You never under debts. If you are under debts, you will definitely clear your debts very early, and you will live your happy life without any debts, because you have a dhan yoga, you have a money making yoga, you have a saving yogs in your birth chart. Second house play a big role in the terms of saving. 11th house play a big role in the terms of making money. If any connection, like if second lord plays in 11th house, that person earn a lot of money, but he will definitely save a lot of money because second lord is in 11th. And if 11th lord is in second, there is the same condition or apply, because that type of native will earn lot of money and they will save a lot of money. They know how to multiply money, they know how to invest their money. If they earn money from one side, and they are ready to invest on other side, because they have a mutual exchange of second lord and 11th lord, or second lord or 11th lord may be in conjunction in birth chart in 7th house and 5th house and 9th house and 11th house and second house. If your second lord 11th lord conjunction in first house, second house, 11th house, 9th house, 7th house, 5th house, you will definitely blessed with a lot of money. You will definitely blessed with a lot of earning. You will earn money from multiple source. You may doing job, but side by side you will invest your money in stock market or any type of business, and you will get good gains from everywhere, because you have a dhan yoga. I saw a lot of birth chart few days back. One of my friend from Dubai, she called me to consult with me, and I check her horoscope. She has a very wonderful planet. She's a Sagittarius ascendants, and 11th lord Venus placed in second house, and second house lord placed in 11th house Saturn. Two friendly planet, mutual exchange, second and 11th house. And she earned a lot of money in Dubai. She earned a lot of money in Dubai from last 15 years. But due to the Rahu Mahadasha, she is not able to secure their life in the terms of money. But she will earn a lot of money. She earn a lot of money, and she help a lot to their family, to their parents, to their siblings. And still she's suffering because she's under Rahu Mahadasha. So yoga is a separate thing in birth chart. And when that yoga will execute, when you will get a good results from that yoga, that is a Mahadasha. If you have a 11th Lord Mahadasha, second Lord Mahadasha, or fourth Lord house is also connected with your golden time Mahadasha, you will definitely blessed with a lot of saving, lot of earning. You will earn money more than your thoughts. You are doing very small efforts and you will get smart money. I saw a lot of birth chart. People are trying efforts and doing lot of efforts again and again. They are just, living their life with paying their bills or installments, nothing else. And I saw a lot of birth chart. They earn lot of money with small efforts. Why? Because they have a dhan yoga, and they have a mahadasha of second lord or 11th lord or 5th lord or 4th house lord, which is well placed. If your 4th lord placed in your 11th house, and you have a Mahadasha of fourth Lord planet which is placed in your 11th house, you will definitely get bundles of money. You will get success from property and real estate. You become a very good real estate merchant. And you become a successful in property business. You become a successful in vehicle sale purchase business. You will have a lot of savings, hidden savings you will have. Fourth Lord, if 11th house, will give you lot of strength to settle in life. That is your luck. Which type of Mahadasha is coming when, like a lot of people, they are suffering throughout young age. They don't have any beneficial planet Mahadasha which is linked with 2nd or 11th house. They are suffering from the 8th Lord Mahadasha, 6th Lord Mahadasha, 12th Lord Mahadasha, which is not well placed. And they're suffering a lot. But a lot of people I saw, a lot of youngsters I saw, they have a great mutual exchange of 2nd and 11th house, 11th or 5th house, and they will earn a lot of money. They will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity in a small age because they have a Mahadasha. Mahadasha, what is the meaning of Mahadasha? Mahadasha is like a direction of your life. You may have a very good planets, there is no doubt. You may have a very good planets in your birth chart, but you have a Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, which is not well placed. You are suffering a lot. You are thinking, yeah, I have a planets in my birth chart. A lot of astrologers say I have a Dhani Yoga, but when this Dhani Yoga will execute, your Dhani Yoga will execute when Mahadasha or Antardasha will start of that planet, which is create a Dhani Yoga in your birth chart. So guys, you need to know which type of planets you have, which type of, do you have Dhani Yoga? And do you have any Mahadasha is coming in your life? If the planet create a Dhani Yoga and you are under the Mahadasha of 11th Lord, 2nd Lord, which is mutual exchange with each other, or you have a Mahadasha of Ascendance Lord, which is create a Dhani Yoga in your birth chart, you will definitely steal the show. You will rock. You will become million trillionaire. You will earn a lot of money from multiple sources of earning. You will give lot of support to your siblings, to your family, because money is nothing for you. If 2nd Lord and 11th Lord is active in your birth chart, if 4th Lord is active in your birth chart, you will definitely rock. You will earn a lot of money, lot of savings, lot of gains, multiple sources of earning, lot of friends, lot of social circle. You will enjoy happy life, peaceful life, successful life, because 2nd house is savings, 11th house making money. So if any connection in your birth chart, 2nd Lord is in 11th or 11th Lord is in 2nd, or they exchange their houses, or they are in conjunction, or Ascendance Lord also in this conjunction, in like I saw one birth chart a few weeks back, 1st Lord, 2nd Lord, 11th Lord, they are in conjunction. A great horoscope, and that person achieved lot of goals in small age. I think he's just 32, 33, and he buys his own properties. He buys his own, luxury cars because he has a Dhan Yoga, and the Dhan Yoga active because Lagan Lord Mahadasha started in his chart. So guys, you need to know which type of Mahadasha you have. Do you have any Dhan Yoga in your birth chart? If you have, and do you have that type of planet Mahadasha is running or coming in your nearest future, you will earn a lot of money. You will save a lot of money. You will help your family. You will support your siblings, your parents, your neighbors even. So guys, you need to know which type of planet you have. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.